So how was your this experience, like this cloud-based technology SD-WAN, which you have recently completed?
See, my when I was searching for a SD-WAN trainer, good SD-WAN trainer, so first thing came to my mind is PyNet Lab, and my expectation was as it was earlier in the whole technology, so same expectation was there, and it was. I would like to thank you, PyNet Lab, and whole team that the expectations were met, and now I am confident that I would be able to deliver whatever the knowledge I have gained.
Yeah, hi Rahul, how are you?
Hi Nitesh, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And yeah, as you have recently completed your SD-WAN training, so we thought to have this call to check how was your overall experience. But yes, before we get started to this call, it would be really great if you can tell us how you came to know about PyNet Labs.
Yeah, so in 2018, I was in old technology. So there we had a session and you can say resource. Means there was a session which was given by PyNet Lab and like the trainer Abhijit Bakale. And based on that, and the new technology was coming SD-WAN. So I thought it's a good time to get in touch with PyNet Lab and with the same trainer only. My demand was to get the training from the same trainer. Basically, I was impressed by Abhijit Bakale and PyNet Team, you and Deepanshu. Everybody was so supportive in during that training as well.
Perfect. So how was your this experience, like this cloud-based technology SD-WAN, which you have recently completed?
See, my when I was searching for a SD-WAN trainer, good SD-WAN trainer, so first thing came to my mind is PyNet Lab, and then with after a conversation with you as well as Dipanshu, I managed to get Abhijit training schedule for this, and my expectation was as it was earlier in the whole technology, so same expectation was there, and it was. I would like to thank you, PyNet Lab, and whole team that the expectations were met, and now I am confident that I would be able to deliver whatever the knowledge I have gained during my course in this training, and I will be looking forward in future to join if some new technology comes or something which I need to learn. Then I'll be choosing PyNet Lab only.
Yeah, thanks for your kind words. And I'll definitely share this information to Mr. Abhijit and Deepanshu that your expectation is fulfilled. So it would be really great if you can tell us about the lab portion, because 90% content of this SD-WAN is related to labs only, right? So I think your 1 week is also there for the completion of your lab. So everything is
Yeah.
going smoothly.
Yes. So I would like to share one more experience about the lab, basically,
Yeah.
because during my session of this 1.5 months, so we had some hiccups due to some ISP issues and all, and PyNet Lab understood the situation and they've extended 1 week extended lab access to us, and on special request basis, I got an approval from the Panchu and your team that because of some my personal reasons I could not perform during that extension period. So I got 1 more week to access the lab and practice so that I can get maximum fulfillment from that lab.
Perfect, perfect. And I hope this time it will get completed and you can make the best use of the lab which you have received for another week. Yeah.
Sure. I would be,
Perfect.
yeah.
Yeah, perfect. And thanks for your views. I'm looking forward to seeing you in our another upcoming training, as you mentioned. Definitely, like many trainings are going to be come up in this networking domain. So yeah, we will be stay in touch. So yeah, thanks a lot for the same and all the
Sure.
very
Thank you.
best. Yeah,
Thank you so
thanks.
much. Thank you.
Yeah,
Bye
thanks for your time. Bye bye.
bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.